Hey there, warriors. In this week's tech tip, we're going to look at a couple of built-in options on your iPad that will improve the quality of your photography. I learned this tip at a session I attended at the Apple Genius Bar this summer, and what they suggested doing was going into the Settings app and going to Camera, and then under Composition, turning on Grid and Level. What this will do is create a grid with 9 rectangles. The grid is there to help you use what's called the rule of thirds in your photography. And the rule of thirds tells us that if you're composing a photograph and you want your photo to be more dynamic, instead of putting your subject in the center, which is what your instinct would tell you to do, you should put it on what's called the power points. So anywhere where the grid lines are connecting, there maybe, or there, or there. But if you put them where the PowerPoints lie, you're going to have a more dynamic photo and it'll draw the eye to the subject. Now, the level is to help you keep the photo straight so you don't have to do so much cropping and adjusting after the fact. So I'm just going to keep adjusting my iPad until it turns into a yellow bar. Then I know it's perfectly horizontal. And so that is a few ways you can improve your photo composition using the built-in features of your iPad. As always, if you have any ideas for future tech tips, don't hesitate to reach out to Ms. Colby.